Alright, hi, this is my first video. I don't really know how to, make a video. It's currently 1 in the morning, and I can't sleep. And I have a bunch of games, all of which mogus is probably the only smooth game I can run. So, we're gonna play Among Us, even though no one plays it in 2024. Let's go. So this is probably gonna end up sounding like ASMR, because I'm whispering. My god, if it doesn't load up. Alright. So. I'm not sure why this glitches out, but whatever. It don't bother me. Oh yeah, I forgot there's a new map. Alright. There's all good settings. I like this. Alright. I don't like this, though. Nobody likes tan. Yeah, nobody likes tan. White's pretty good. Oh, god, bro. This is the first time I've gotten imposters since I've installed this game. Oh my god. It's literally my first time. Oh my god. Alright, I'm about to. Oh, I'm terrified. Oh my god. Okay, that was really quick. Holy crap. I'm gonna type where. Just to be not sussy baka. Sign faking records. Purple came from that side. Alright, no mention of white. So, whoever voted, you're weird. I hate this walk speed, it's terrible. Oh my god. What if I kill right now? That would be so crazy. Alright, I have one right here. So terrible. I'm freaking terrified. Alright, I'm gonna kill someone this round. Shall I kill? Alright, I'm done with this game. There's literally nothing else. Okay. Alright. I think I got a mod. How do they call it? Yeah, scale down that. Alright. Roll. Oh god. There's only one game. Is there a way to change that? I mean, alright. Oh, I guess we're doing troll. Oh god, what is that connection speed, my god? Bruh, I didn't even do anything. Alright, well, this game sucks.